How to see all your shared posts on the Facebook group. Hello everyone, my name is Smile and today I will show you how you can do that. So make sure you follow the following steps. First of all, make sure you go on the Google Play Store and install the latest version of Facebook on your device. If you have already done so, then simply open the Facebook and then you can simply go on any Facebook group that you want to see your post on. Since I'm not the joined on any group, I'll simply tap on this one group. So this is also a Facebook group. Now to see my contribution on this Facebook group, when I tap on the three vertical lines on the top side, I can see there is no option of me posting on this Facebook group. So how can I see that is, here is the option of photos, featured and many things. And here you will see the option of you as well. And when you tap on you option, you will see all the shared posts that you have shared on this certain Facebook group. So this is how you can see it, and you can simply edit by tapping on edit option as well. And you can also create a post on this group by just tapping on the create post. So yes, this is how you do it. Hope this video helps you. If you like the video, then please do thumbs up, subscribe and comment on the comment section.